How to use controller configurations from the community. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can use controller configurations from the community on the Steam platform. Steam is one of the most popular gaming platforms. Here you can find literally all the games that appear on the market. That is why it is not surprising that many people use Steam as a platform. However, the trend is to use consoles as a means of gaming. That is why today we will address the topic of how to customize other settings for your controller on Steam. First of all, open Steam. To enable this, you need to be in a mode called Big Picture mode. It is located in the View panel in the top menu. When you have opened this view, you need to click on the game you want. When the menu for starting it is opened, you need to find the icon with the joystick and click on it. A menu will open in which we need to find the layout option for our controller. When we found it, we click on it. A menu for choosing a layout will open. We will find the Community Layouts option in the top menu and click on it. A list of layouts that we can use will open. We select one and click on it. When a new window appears, all that is required is to click on the Apply Layout button, and that's all. From now on, this layout will be applied to the game we selected. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Steam tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.